Hello my ABT students. This is going to be a short video on showing you how to crop a picture. Cropping means it's non-destructive. The picture is still always there, and I'll show you that. So first of all, put on your no spacing, and then I want you to go to Insert, and let's just go to Online Pictures and search for dogs. Put in dogs. Alright. And let's pick out, hold on here. I mean, actually you can pick out any dog you want, but let's see if I got a better choice here. Not a whole lot. Okay. Here, let's take this dog. Alright. Or you can take this one. This will work too. Or even the black lab. So any one of these three will be great. I think I'll take the black lab. Alright, so Insert. Alright, and now size it down a little bit. Oh, pretty eyes. And that's about, I'll size down a little bit more. Alright, and make it square. Okay, make it square. Alright, so now I put it in the center of our screen, and when we go to crop, we're going to crop off the outside edges and maybe a little bit of his chest here. So what we're going to do is go over here, Picture Tools format is on, go to crop and choose crop. Now those are called the crop corners. Alright, so watch, we can come down a little bit here, not a whole lot. And we can come up on his chest to his tongue, but don't cut off his tongue. And you can pull this in here. And now just about there. And let's pull this in. So now watch. When I click off, there I've taken out some of the background, and I have basic to his head. Now, if we wanted to, and this isn't a very good picture, I realize that now. I'm going to put this over here, and let's go get another one. I want to go to Insert and go to Online Pictures, and I'll put in dogs again, and we'll take one of those other ones and see if we can get a better one. Okay, let's try this one. Actually here, this will work, I think, better. Let's go to Insert. Okay, I'm going to size it down. Okay, and I'll size it down. Alright, that's good. I'm going to make it square. Now watch. Okay, one more time. We will go to crop. Choose crop, and you see the crop points here. Now, you can come in this way as long as you've got room. But see, it brings it on perspective, so you don't want to go any closer to his head. But you do want to go in this way up to his ear. Okay? And then you want to come in this way and go up to his ear. And then let's come up here, and we want to go up to about here. Alright, now we turn off our crop. Just click outside, it's the easiest way. There. And now there's all that you can see in the picture. But your picture is still there. If I turn on your crop, put your crop back on, I can pull this out, and you can say, oh, I want this much. Or, oh, I want this much. And you can adjust it. But the whole picture, you could take it all the way out if you wanted to. But there, I said, okay, I think I like that better, although I don't like the white there. So I'm going to pull this up a bit. That I think makes it just a little bit better. Click off, and there's your picture. So that's how easy it is to crop. So you can crop pretty well anything that you want. Like, I mean, if we wanted to be silly, we could go to crop, and we could say, okay, I'm going to crop right up here. I'm not worried about his ears right now, and which wouldn't make sense, I don't think. But if you wanted to, there you go. And click off. And that's all you see. But then you say, no, Lee, that doesn't look very good. So go back to crop. And now let's show his ears so that he looks normal. And let's go here and get his ear, and come down here and get the bottom of his ear. Alright, that looks a lot better. And that's all there is to cropping. There's nothing more. Your picture is just the same, and the whole picture is still there if you turn it back on and add the part. So if I move this one over here, And now if we go to our black lab, if we go back to crop here, and let's say you went up to his nose, okay, and we can't do much more on that one. And if I clicked off, there it is. But can I see the rest of the picture? As soon as I put your crop back on, yes, you can. You can get the rest of your picture. And you could go out as far as you want and bring it back to the way it was. So, it's non-destructive because the picture is still there. The original picture is there. All right, we'll stop there. That's all we need to show you.